Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Gavin's Garage. Today we're going to be trying and parallel two 9500. I'm going to show you how you can use the xp9000ih PK. That's the Duromax parallel kit to parallel your 9500s. When it comes to the Predator 9500, you have one, two, three parallel ports. So you have a hot, and a neutral. Okay? That's so you can get 240 volts. But the Duromax 9000 does not have a neutral wire. We're going to add one to this PK9500, PK9000, and see if it'll work. Guys, let's get this installed ready. If you can't do something like this, I don't recommend you do it. But if you're good with working with electronics and stuff like that, this should be easy. I'm just going to show you quick steps to get through it. If you can follow it, maybe something you want to do. If you can't, you can get someone to do it for you. First thing we're going to do is get us one of these. This is the xp9000ih PK parallel kit. It's for the Duromax 9000. So like I was showing you, this one has two hots and a ground. The Predator 9500 has two hots, a neutral, and a ground. So we're going to try to add two neutrals to that PK9000 and see if it'll work. So we can get over 240 volts. All right, I already made the neutral wire. So that way we can get along with this test. I'm gonna just show you how I made it and install it, show you how I'm gonna install it, and that's it. Okay. We have a through wall, two wires. It does not have to be white. I'm using green and black. They're gonna be hooking up to the neutral. I already got them terminated down under. I used some wire loom, came all the way up. They're both separated, as you can see. Okay. This one's gonna go to the neutral, and that one's going to go to the other neutral on the 9500. I know the 9500 is square around, actually the 9500 around, these are square, but these are real soft, so it can get in there. All right, let's get this thing open and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay guys, first thing you're going to ask me, where are you going to find these? Just buy any parallel kit, real cheap one that has the square types, and just use two of them. So I bought one and I used this one right here. Just get your parallel kit and sacrifice it. Let's get this thing open. 4 screws. Okay, get your 4 screws out. Turn it around. Get these loose. Loose. Push it in. Push the wire in. When you push the wire in, it pulls out. Okay? You got all your breakers. You're not going to mess with none of that. Let's turn this around. If you could see right here, this is your neutral side. There's nothing connected to that. So all you have to do, somehow, get that wire into this box and hook it up to the neutral side right here. That's it. All right? Because over here, you have a hot, ground, neutral, but there's no neutral. So let's get that started. Okay, guys. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drill a hole right here. Made you a nice hole. Now, remember that one I told you about? Get this off. Go ahead and insert your 2 wire into your newly drilled hole. So, got this installed. Now you flip it back around. Put your lock nut over the 2 wire. Get it all the way down. And go ahead and secure this wire. Once you get it tight, it's going to look like this on the inside. and it's going to look like this on the back right here. Now you get your 2-wire, and bring this close. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm just gonna loosen up the neutral, put both of them in there all the way back, make sure they're both in there, lock them down. All right, guys, so we got this in here. Let's point out what we have now. Now we have ground, hot, hot, and neutral. 2 neutral, 1 for each generator. And they're gonna come right here and give you a neutral on your parallel kit. Now pull the wire back. Pull the wire back so you can get these in. All right, flip this around. Now what we have here is tight these down, lock this one. Okay guys, now this is what it looks like from the back. Go ahead and take my ground lugs out. Red, black, ground. Let's go to the second one. Red, black, ground. Now, guess what? Now we get our neutral wire. We plug it right here. Like I told you, this one's round, this one's square, but I'm just gonna push it in there. It's soft, so it'll just go inside. There you go. So now we have 2 hots, a neutral, and the ground. Goes back to the parallel box, parallel kit. Get the second one. We add another neutral. Second neutral added right here. There you go. All right, guys, we have everything hooked up. Neutral, 2-leg, ground. Neutral, 2 legs, and the ground going to the parallel kit. I'm going to test this real quick. I'm going to use this tester to make sure everything is correct. If that green light comes on, says correct, we're good. All right, let's fire up the first one. All right, look at that. Correct. No open circuit, no reverse wiring, no open ground, no open hot, no open neutral. Everything is 100% correct. All right, guys, looks like everything's working. We got it correct on the parallel kit using this tester right here. It's from Progressive Industry, 50 amp tester. It shows you if you have a correct circuit, reverse wiring, open ground, open hot, or open neutral. Everything was perfect, so we should be able to pull 50 amps from this with no open neutral, and everything should be right. Okay guys, I'm going to use this right here. This pulls 30 amps, 240 volts, 7,200 watts. Just an easy way for me to test this two generators in parallel right now. 123 volts. 123 volts from each leg. Let's go ahead and test this heater. Let's turn it on. Let's see if they both kick on together. There you go. We got 3,700 watts coming out from one, 3,700 watts coming out from the other one. There you go. Remember guys, I would not leave this like that. This is just a test. Usually I'll put it a little further apart, but since it's just a short run, it's okay. Because you don't want the hot air from this generator blowing into that generator and burning this up right here. Since I'm just not going to do it for that long, it's okay. But remember, if you're doing it, put it a little further apart. Alright, so you can see right there, each one's putting out 3,700 watts at 30.9 amps. 31.1 amps. Both fired up, both flow down together using eco mode. Alright guys, so it can be done. If you guys want to take this challenge, go ahead and do it. It's real easy. It took me what? 15 minutes. Alright guys, just another awesome video from Gavin's Garage. I hope you enjoy this. The next video, we're going to be hooking this up to the house, seeing if we can power the AC. I wanted to have a parallel kit so I can do both of them and one. Alright, if in case one does not work, I'll parallel them together. Alright, to see if we can run the, I'm going to try the oven, the washer and dryer, and the 5-ton AC. Okay guys, stay tuned for that next video. Guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It's free. It just shows us that, you know, you guys are supporting the channel by subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. For those of you who leave a comment, I always answer the question you ask. I try, do the things you try. So just subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, helps people sponsor the channel. And guys, if I help you out, hit that thanks button. If you look down on the bottom, there's a thanks button. You can hit that button and donate something to the channel. Support the channel. These generators cost a lot. Most of these are not sponsored. I buy these with my own money and make the videos, and then later on I'll sell them. So that's how we do it. If you want to help out, if I help you out, help the channel out, awesome. Guys, thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.